Hey there, folks. Day, whatever, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I don't care anymore. I got all the time in the world. Now I can see why nobody wants to do this head gasket job. No mechanics and no dealer. Anyway, enough of crying. Just do the work. I disconnected the fuel rail, or the fuel lines to the fuel rail, and I had these doohickey things, plastic. Cost me mucho bucko, but plastic. I used this one for the smaller one over here on this side, and the blue one for the bigger size. All you do is stick the in there, push it in. Yeah, I guess it pushes back the springs, and then everything gets pushed back. I taped it all together so it'll stay the same. I label them so I know where it all goes. And yes, you may laugh, but hey, my memory at my old age now isn't as it used to be. Well, but it's here, and I'm doing it. I gotta get out of this truck, man. I'm getting high from the gas fuel things here. Very little came out, and for something that's been sitting out here for 23 years. Whew. Yep. But onward, folks, onward. This is tedious. All these, I really do not understand all these vacuum lines, but it's here. I know a lot of it is for the EGR valve or so. Emissions. Here's the crossover from one to the other, and all this tree up here goes into this. I disconnected it, but then all of a sudden I'm looking at it, I got more to disconnect. And over here on this one, when I first took off the cover, they call it a doghouse cover, this was just out in the air. I'm like, what the heck is this from? But then I saw the hose. Ah, here it is. Here it is, folks. Here's the hose. Look at that. Yeah, I went there and it connected to that, and look at that. It's already dry rotted. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Dry rotted, plus a hole in here already. So whatever I see needs to be replaced, it's going to be replaced. But I thought this was going to be an easy job. What I mean by easy is a week at the most, but apparently don't look like it. Gonna be taking my time with it. Okay, let me get back to work here. I gotta stop crying. Okay, our operation has come to a halt, folks, because I don't know if you can see it in there. This intake manifold over here in the back, as you can see right here, it has a regular bolt, but that one towards the center has a star pattern screw. So everything has come to a halt, and besides, we're hungry. We're going to go to lunch.